Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be creating a sunflower headboard. I went to the Dollar Tree and I got 15 tubes of the caulk, and you can get these from the Dollar Tree or Home Depot. I also got this scraper to help smooth the caulk. I got this ruler because I'm also going to need that, and I got 4 to 5 rolls of duct tape. You will need 6 foam boards if you're doing a full size, or 8 if you're doing a queen to king. And I got this brush for the texture. I'm gonna start off by taping 6 foam boards together, and this will be the base of my headboard. And I ended up adding 2 more foam boards. And remember, I said you need 6 for a full size or twin, and you need 8 for a queen or king. Now I am sketching a half circle onto the foam board. I didn't do too bad on the sketch. Like, it's not perfect, but I'm surprised I did that, to be honest. Now I'm gonna take my ruler and trace out 4-inch lines and make them connect to create a triangle. And I wasn't concerned about how perfect the half circle was because the triangles are going to cover that up anyways. You just kind of need like something to go by. Next, I took my box cutter and I started to cut out the triangles. Then I decided to cut 8 inches off of the bottom of the board because I felt like it was just too high. Next, I sketched another half circle in the middle, and I'm going to now use my caulk and start the process. This headboard was definitely trial and error. I had to first put enough caulk on the board so that I could get my scraper and smooth it out to create the texture. And I started cutting off the bottom of the tube just because it helped the caulk come out faster. After that, I took my scraper and I started to spread the caulk around the board. And I made sure to cover the triangles with the caulk also. I tested out the brush first to create the texture, but I really didn't like the strokes the brush made, so I started using the comb. And remember what I said, this is trial and error. And also, if you do make a mistake with the caulk, you can take the scraper and smooth it back out and start over again. And after that area was done, I moved on to the next. And remember to take the comb strokes all the way throughout the triangle. After that was done, I took the caulk and I started to go over the smaller circle. Then I took the board outside and spray painted it black. And then I spray painted it gold. And I used this double-sided tape from the Dollar Tree to mount it on the wall. And here's how the headboard looked after everything was done. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later, Glitter Babes.